Hey, boy. You know who this is, boy. I reckon I am the man for you, boy. You know, we've been falling hard times, boy. I'm gonna have to reactivate you in more ways than one, son. You need to contact me, Sergeant Slider. Okay, boy? I want to take you for a ride on my hoodilly. I want to talk to you some, boy. Me and you need to get together, as it were, I reckon. It's been a while since I've seen you, boy. Have you grown much since last time? And I'm sorry if I split you open last time, son, where the sun don't shine, but I hope that everything's better now, I reckon. So I'll tell you something, boy. You need to call Sergeant Slider. I'm looking for you, son. I want to freaking, I don't know, have Congress with you again, boy. I heard you were in California. Well, ain't no place too far from me and you, boy. We already established that, didn't we, son? Okay, I'm gonna tell you something, boy. I want you to get this straight right now. This is off the record. I've been thinking about you. I'm bigger now, son. And you know what, quite frankly? This good old boy is hung. And I don't mean like a mosquito. Okay, son? So I want you to contact me as soon as you can when you get this message. If you happen to see me, son, I need you. I need you for moral and immoral support, okay? So get ready, boy. You better wax it behind, because Sergeant Slider gonna come up behind you and tear you up. Bust you up like a crick in a hubcap. You remember those good old times, boy? Well, they're about to come back and creep up on you, son. Now, take this as an order, boy. I need you to call me, contact me, do whatever you can. Call collect if you ain't got no money, because I'd be more than happy to take care of you, son. Remember me, Sergeant Slider. I get you in that hole, boy, like I did before when you was squirming around like a little rat. Just like that, boy. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. I'll hold you down, boy. Hold it, boy. Come on, boy, come on. Hold you down. And next thing you know, man, I got you in that hole, son. I got you in that hole until you release in front of me, son. And So, boy, I'm telling you now, come see me, son. See me. I want to see you. Call me, son. Call me collect. I'm looking for that behind. That's right, boy. Me and you.